obviously it's a really tough time now for a lot of parents who are raising kids. Austin Theriault, what can the federal government do to help make it easier for parents to raise children?
Well, we need to start by lowering the cost of living, which is what we've been talking about all night, right? As wages have gone up, they haven't kept up with the cost of living increases. So real wages have gone down over the course of the past several years, unlike during the Trump administration where real wages were going up. In terms of regulations, I think this is more of a state level issue. I did support a bill in the House, which ended up getting defeated in the Senate, which would have made it a little easier for folks in rural areas to get access to childcare. There is a model that's being utilized across the country, and certainly in Maine we've seen where businesses are partnering with nonprofit organizations, so it becomes a public-private partnership because it's good for businesses to be able to have a place for their workers' children to be able to go. It helps everybody, right? And so those are areas where I think the private sector and the public sector can work together to expand childcare.
Jared Golden, childcare, that's obviously one part of the solution, but again, the question, what in general can the federal government do that really makes a difference in making it easier for parents to raise children?
Well, I've supported like a multi-million-dollar earmark right out of the federal budget into a community, Skowhegan, where there's a partnership similar to what Austin talked about, where we have public dollars going into building a new school, and they're going to build a child care facility right next to it, right on the school premises. That's a public-private partnership. Local businesses are putting money into that, but I also brought money to help with the construction of it. So there's one local solution. At the federal level, there's the child tax credit, which I think is very poorly targeted. The Republican 2017 tax law actually changed the eligibility from around $150K up to like $440K. Families making $440,000 don't need help raising their children. And so I think if we were to better target that program towards real working middle class families, and instead of having it be a tax credit, turn it into a monthly cash benefit, would be something that would help them better afford whatever they want to do with it, whether that be food on the table, child care costs, whatever it may be, but let's trust people to make smart decisions for themselves rather than wrapping it into the tax code, particularly when it's so poorly targeted.